Hi! Today we have a Fiat Punto with a 1.4 petrol engine. I'm going to show you how to change the spark plugs. I'm going to start by removing the air filter housing. There are two bolts. Also I have to disconnect the plastic hose from the rubber mount over here, and also there is a rubber mount at the back. I have to disconnect the oil evaporator hose, and also there is one at the back also for the oil evaporation. I have removed the air filter housing, so now I have access to the spark plugs. I'm going to disconnect the cables, and after that with 16mm wrench I'm going to open the spark plugs. I have opened the spark plugs, and the space is too difficult to remove the spark plugs by hand, so that's why I'm using a magnet. So now we can see that gap between the metal and the uh, spark plug is very big, and that's why the vehicle was shaking a little. It wasn't working like it should. So now I'm going to install the new ones. Here I have new spark plugs that I'm going to install on the vehicle. So now you can see the gap between the old one and the new one. Here is something for compare. You can notice that it's very big. So now I'm going to use the magnet to put the spark plugs into the cylinder head. Removal of the spark plugs is easy, but installing is a little more difficult because we don't have much access for working, and also we have to install it properly. If you can't turn it easy, then something is wrong, it's not installed properly, and you can easily damage the cylinder head. So that's why you have to be very careful. Now I'm installing the spark cables. Now I can return the air filter housing. First I am installing the hose at the back, then this evaporator hose, two bolts with 10mm wrench. On the back side is just clicking. This hose also is clicking on the rubber mount, and this one is because this vehicle has LPG system. That's why is this hose. So vehicles without LPG, they don't have this one. And now I can start the engine. Now the engine is working fine, there is no shaking. This means that I am finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.